Welcome to the dawn of purity, where vast ecological pastures meet modern innovation, housing our majestic herds under the watchful eyes of nature and science today. Every step taken on these fertile lands represents the harmony between the environment and the life force we nurture, ensuring the highest quality from the very start. Nutrition is the cornerstone of excellence, as our horses feed on pristine vegetation, absorbing the minerals that will eventually become the essence of our premium product. Our facility stands as a beacon of modern agriculture, blending industrial strength with ecological sensitivity to create a sanctuary for growth and health in every single corner. Constant hydration and care are automated to perfection, ensuring that the environment remains lush and vibrant throughout the seasons, supporting a cycle of continuous, natural vitality. In every drop of water and every blade of grass, there is a commitment to cleanliness and purity that defines the foundation of our specialized breeding process. Human expertise works in tandem with nature, as our dedicated specialists monitor every horse, ensuring their well-being is maintained at the highest possible standards every day. Digital tracking begins here, with each animal assigned a unique identity, allowing us to trace the lineage and health history with absolute accuracy and complete transparency. Data-driven management ensures that only the healthiest individuals proceed through our system, maintaining a level of quality control that is unmatched in the traditional industry. A healthy exterior reflects internal vitality, and we take pride in the meticulous care that keeps our herds in peak physical condition throughout their entire lives. As the day progresses, the rhythm of the farm continues, a synchronized movement of life and technology working together toward a singular goal of creating pure excellence. We believe that the spirit of the animal is as important as its physical health, fostering a stress-free environment that naturally enhances the quality of the final extract. Transitioning from the field to the facility, every gateway is controlled and sanitized, marking the beginning of the transformation from raw nature into a refined medicinal product. The selection process is rigorous and final, ensuring that every component used in our manufacturing meets the strict criteria established by our master blenders and scientists. Phase 1 concludes with a successful selection of the finest specimens, setting the stage for the industrial transformation that will unlock the secrets of their strength. Welcome to the heart of the factory, a realm of sterile perfection where industrial science takes over to purify and prepare the raw elements of our craft. The raw materials arrive, cleaned and sorted, moving with mechanical precision toward the first stage of deep purification, where every impurity will be removed with force. Advanced high-pressure jets are deployed, utilizing purified water to strip away any remaining surface particles, ensuring that only the core, clean material remains for the process. The intensity of the water creates a microscopic scrub, a physical purification process that respects the integrity of the material while achieving absolute surgical level cleanliness today. Total coverage is guaranteed by our multi-axis spray system, leaving no stone unturned and no surface unwashed in our quest for a perfectly pure and safe foundation. Reliability and hygiene go hand in hand, as our machines are designed for constant operation in the most demanding environments without sacrificing the safety of the output. Constant monitoring by our quality control team ensures that each batch meets our internal standards before it is allowed to move forward into the drying phase. The vibration drying process uses high-frequency motion to break the surface tension of water, efficiently removing moisture without the need for excessive heat at this stage. Precision in drying prevents the growth of unwanted microorganisms, stabilizing the material and preparing it for the intense extraction process that will follow shortly after this. The result of our purification is a pristine material, stripped of all impurities and moisture, standing ready to yield its hidden nutrients through our thermal technology. Automation continues with our robotic sorting systems, which ensure that every piece is handled with care and placed exactly where it needs to be for extraction. The human touch remains essential for final validation, as our experts use their trained eyes to ensure that only the most perfect materials enter the boilers. Volume and precision meet in our storage area, where materials are staged in climate-controlled environments to maintain their integrity until the very moment of their processing. With the push of a button, the second phase of our journey is successfully completed, paving the way for the most critical step in our production. We move deeper into the facility, leaving the cleaning behind and entering the high-pressure world of thermal extraction, where the true transformation begins to unfold now. This is where the magic happens, in the thermal extraction zone, where heat and pressure work over 72 hours to pull the essence from the bone. Securing the vessels is a task of precision, as we create a sealed environment capable of withstanding the immense pressures required for our proprietary extraction method. Manual packing ensures that steam can circulate freely between every piece, allowing for a thorough and even extraction of all the vital proteins and minerals contained. The contrast between biological material and industrial steel highlights our philosophy. using the best of modern technology to unlock the traditional benefits of natural medicine. Heavy machinery assists in the heavy lifting, ensuring safety and precision as we load the core material into the depths of our advanced thermal processing units. The seal is final. Within these walls, a 72-hour cycle will commence, utilizing controlled heat to break down complex structures into their most bioavailable forms. As the pressure rises, the internal environment transforms, reaching temperatures that facilitate the release of collagen and amino acids into the surrounding purified water bath. Inside the vessel, a powerful reaction is occurring as the water begins to absorb the vital nutrients, changing its molecular structure to become a rich extract. Rhythmic venting maintains the perfect balance of pressure, a controlled dance of energy that ensures the extraction remains stable and safe throughout the 3-day cycle. Time is our most valuable ingredient, as we allow the slow, natural breakdown of materials to occur without the use of harsh chemicals or artificial catalysts. Minute adjustments by our master technicians keep the process within a fraction of a degree, ensuring consistency across every batch we produce in our facility. The collective power of our factory is focused on this single goal, a symphony of industrial heat and pressure working to refine the essence of life. Early samples show a promising density, as the water transforms into a thick broth, rich with the foundational building blocks of health and physical restoration. Safety and quality are never compromised, with frequent checks performed using the latest technology to ensure that the environment remains perfectly sealed and efficient. Even the smallest details, like the management of condensation and ambient heat, are handled with a level of care that reflects our overall commitment to excellence. The energy of our plant is harnessed and directed with surgical precision, powering the extraction process that will eventually yield our premium, nutrient-dense horsebone glue. Fire and water meet in a controlled environment, creating the perfect conditions for the slow and steady release of the marrow's most precious and powerful contents. After 3 days, the first flow of the primary extract begins, a significant moment that marks the successful completion of the most difficult stage of production. The cycle ends, and the room falls into a productive silence, as we prepare to move the raw extract into the next phase of concentration and refinement. Every batch is tested for purity and nutrient concentration immediately after extraction, ensuring that only the best results are allowed to continue through the process. The laboratory confirms our success, validating the effectiveness of our 2-hour thermal extraction and the high quality of the raw material we started with today. Phase 3 is complete. The essence has been captured, and now it must be concentrated into its final, potent form in our vacuum cooling systems. Follow the flow as we enter the most beautiful part of the process, where the liquid turns to gold through the power of vacuum concentration technology. In this serene environment, we use vacuum technology to remove excess water at lower temperatures, preserving the sensitive nutrients that would be destroyed by open boiling. The journey continues as the liquid extract moves through our transparent system, allowing us to visually monitor the clarity and color of the product at every stage. Inside the vacuum, the boiling point is lowered, allowing the water to evaporate gently while the valuable proteins and minerals remain perfectly intact and concentrated. A slow, constant motion ensures that the concentration is uniform, preventing any localized overheating and maintaining the smooth, high-quality texture that our customers expect from us. Precision sensors provide continuous feedback, allowing us to reach the exact level of concentration required for the final product to have its signature potency and effect. As the water vanishes, the color deepens, a visual indicator of the increasing concentration of life-sustaining elements that are being compressed into every single drop. The steady pulse of the vacuum pump is the heartbeat of this phase, a mechanical process that works tirelessly to refine and perfect the extract's final state. This visual spectacle is more than just beauty. It is a testament to the purity and scientific rigor that goes into every batch we create here. Frequent sampling allows us to check the viscosity and refractive index, ensuring that the product is developing exactly as planned under the vacuum's influence. The texture is perfect, smooth, clear, and free from any particles, indicating a high-quality concentration that will eventually become a solid block of pure health. Even the removed water is pure, a byproduct of a process that focuses entirely on concentrating the most valuable parts of the original raw material. The extract has now reached a syrupy state, thick and full of concentrated power, moving toward the final stages of its evolution into a solid form. Control is centralized and total, allowing our team to manage large-scale production with the same level of detail as a small, artisanal batch of glue. The visual complexity of the concentrated extract is a sign of its rich chemical composition, a dense mixture of bioactive compounds ready for use. This elasticity and viscosity are the hallmarks of a high-collagen product, demonstrating the strength and quality of the horsebone glue we have created. The concentration is complete. The golden liquid is now ready to be shaped and cooled, transitioning from a fluid state into a solid medicinal masterpiece. Purity is maintained until the very end, as the concentrated extract is stored in sealed tanks, protected from any environmental contamination before final shaping. The flow never stops, a continuous line of production that ensures freshness and consistency from the initial extraction to the final packaged product we offer. As the temperature drops slightly, the color matures, reaching its final, classic shade of deep mahogany, a symbol of its high concentration and purity. One final check ensures that every metric is within the perfect range, a commitment to quality that we uphold for every single gram produced here. Phase 4 is concluded. The liquid gold has been concentrated to its maximum potential, and it is now ready to take its final physical form. Step into the cooling room, where precision shaping and rapid cooling will transform the molten extract into the perfect blocks you know and trust. The pouring process is a study in fluid dynamics, as the viscous liquid settles into a perfectly level layer, creating a mirror-like surface on the tray. No air bubbles, no impurities, just a flat, flawless surface that demonstrates the perfection of our vacuum concentration and the cleanliness of our entire processing line. The cooling cabinets use rapid airflow to lower the temperature quickly and evenly, locking in the structure and ensuring a uniform density throughout the entire batch. Controlled cooling is essential for the formation of the glue's solid structure, preventing the development of crystals and maintaining a smooth, consistent texture throughout. Over time, the liquid transforms, losing its flow and becoming a solid essence of the original material, a concentrated block of natural strength and health. Our large-scale cooling facility allows us to process multiple batches simultaneously while maintaining the same rigorous standards of quality for every single tray of glue. The solidification is complete. What was once a liquid extract is now a firm, high-quality block of medicine, ready to be divided into precise portions.
On the low end before
Automation ensures that the product is never touched by human hands, maintaining the highest levels of hygiene as it moves into the final shaping stage. Precision cutting technology allows us to create uniform blocks, each weighing exactly 100 grams, ensuring that our customers receive a consistent and reliable dose. The internal structure is revealed solid, dense, and uniform. This quality is only possible through our advanced vacuum and cooling processes, perfected over many years. Every block is a masterpiece of industrial art, a concentrated form of health that has been shaped with the highest level of technological precision available today. We verify every step. Manual weight checks confirm that our automated systems are operating within our strict tolerances, guaranteeing the exact amount of product every time. When held to the light, the quality is undeniable. The slight translucency and deep color are markers of the traditional excellence we bring to the modern market. The blocks move forward, a line of dark jewels ready to be wrapped and protected, ensuring they reach our customers in the same perfect condition as now. Respect for the product is embedded in our culture. Every block is handled with the utmost care, recognizing the value of the essence it contains within. Efficiency and excellence define our shaping department, where modern technology ensures that every piece of horsebone glue meets our world-class standards for physical quality. Phase 5 is finished. The transformation from liquid extract to solid block is complete, and the final stage of premium packaging is ready to begin now. The final journey begins here, as we wrap our essence in layers of protection and luxury, preparing it for the hands of our valued customers worldwide. Welcome to the final stage, where our product is given its premium identity, combining high-tech protection with sophisticated design to reflect the value of its contents. Vacuum sealing is our first line of defense, removing all air to prevent oxidation and ensure that the product remains fresh and potent for a long time. The seal is flawless, hugging the contours of the block like a second skin, preserving the integrity of the essence within and ensuring maximum hygiene for users. Luxury meets medicine as we package our product in premium materials, providing a tactile experience that matches the high quality of the horsebone glue itself today. Our logo is a mark of trust and quality, embossed in gold to represent the premium nature of the product and our commitment to excellence in every detail. A parade of perfection moves toward final inspection, each box representing hours of careful work and decades of traditional knowledge combined with modern industrial science and technology. Final quality assurance includes X-ray scanning, a high-tech measure to ensure that every block is perfectly solid and free from any foreign particles or internal defects. The scan confirms total purity. Our commitment to safety is absolute, and these final checks provide the ultimate peace of mind for both us and our customers. Authenticity is guaranteed. Each package is sealed with a unique holographic label, protecting our customers from counterfeit products and ensuring they receive the genuine article every time. We share our story with every customer, providing detailed information on the benefits and the careful process that has gone into creating this unique medicinal treasure today. The process is complete. From the green pastures to this final box, we have maintained a standard of excellence that is visible in every aspect of the product, ready for the world. Our premium horsebone glue is now prepared for distribution, carrying the essence of nature and the precision of science to those who need. The final result, a masterpiece of nutrition and craftsmanship, standing alone as a symbol of health, strength, and the tireless pursuit of quality in every single gram. Consistency is our promise. Every box on this line is identical, a testament to the power of our automated processes and the dedication of our quality control team. When you see our gold seal, you know you are holding the very best, a product of passion, science, and the purest elements of the natural world. Our team takes pride in every batch, knowing that they have contributed to a cycle of health that will benefit countless individuals around the world every single day. This is the journey of the Amber Essence, a path of purity and power that brings the best of nature to your doorstep in its most concentrated form. Phase 6 and the entire process are now complete. We invite you to experience the difference that true quality and scientific dedication can make in your life. As the day ends at the farm, the legacy of health continues,
Clear the path.
waiting for
Next
tomorrow
group ready.
to begin the cycle of excellence once again in our modern ecological sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We are committed to your health, your strength, and the enduring power of our premium horsebone glue products.